hopelessness seems like infinity. And suddenly her lights grew dimmer. The smoke beneath is suffocating me. What you care if I fly? While you're living with broken clouds, I'm drifting with the clouds, and the stars won't help me find my way down. I'm so cold and then that's a hold on. Everything feels like a broken dream inside. And I can't take it away somehow. I'm torn from creation. Keeps my wings in a fire. Can't wait to say this, and I can't exist. So many colors running free, and I can't erase them. Another cast away again. Together, no one else can say. No, I can't wait to say this, and I can't exist. I'm running out of when I get all this on my track. Would you care if I suffer? When you're living with broken clouds, I'm drifting with the clouds, and the stars won't help me find my way down. I'm stuck on the dance of a moment. Now everything feels like a broken dream inside. And I can't take it away somehow. So how are we feeling tonight, everybody? Boys and girls, NIT, students of NIT. Where the fuck are those engineering guys? Let me see you go crazy, motherfuckers. I know engineers are motherfuckers. They're crazy. Am I right? Alright, guys in the back, you can join in with us. Have some fun. with this rain. No sickness is gonna stop us. No rain is gonna stop us. Check. Okay guys, the director of NIT will be arriving here soon, so we are just gonna resume after 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Is that okay, right? Okay, he'll be here, don't worry. Sira ngasay mic to kitang nuwaite ba ko? Sira tum sembiro hadi delay reverb ka kadong. Check. 1 2 3 check. Check check check. Check check check. Check 1 2 3 check. Check 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 1 2 3 check. Hello. Check, check. Sila tahu sih hal itu. Bedrisin keren. Thank you, every one of you, for being with us. We still have the prophets coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't go away. No matter what may come, but we will be here till the end. Will you? We will continue with Chasing Proxima. Nongsina maramoraga kitang kweda kudong chada ba thokpada miyamda inconvenience thon bagi da magpigani but koi loisin jedri haijaba duni koi thamjaning isi tuna leksin bere ba khwai tarana su loi phobutang leimina kisi haibesida miyam yabi bro.
Okay, guys, we are resuming. Yeah, I know that was kind of a bummer, but you know, we're never out of energy, right? Rakesh, kano daki magi side field da masai kita jik tang lai thabi hoy masagi asom da su magi ada drum je mai mot ta kita nakapyo drum je chilo. Okay, guys, we're continuing. Okay, this is our third song. I want all your fucking energy with me right now. On my left! Hey there, motherfucker. Okay, on my right. You ready? Okay, we're gonna do something crazy, right? When the drum kicks 4 times. You fucking jump with me. You ready? Here we go. This one's called Rule of Nines. Okay, guys, technical problem here. Just give me a minute. Okay, the count of 4. Jump! Jump! Hell yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, with shortest of time, this will be our last song. This one's an original. This one's called Degrading Canvas. Rakesh? Here we go.
Too many voices in my head, just like remains. The systems collide, so hard to understand. Unchain me, it's getting hard to breathe. It's getting dark to see. Yeah, track my down to this beautiful place. Eyes wide open and shine. You guys ready to jump with me? Crave down. Come on down and pay your price. As you've been promised a glimpse of hell. Retribution is what you seek, but disaster is what you will fall. The soul in the woods, snow is your heart. Everything's a man. I'll help you say there's a line. It's never you but me. Promise you won't hide, but now I hit the ground. I keep falling from the unforgiven skies. What I can shut your eyes, it's empty. When sometimes contaminated still, yeah, make it worth the while. Take a look at that. Jump, motherfuckers! This is our last song! Patience growing thin, so save me from eternity. I'm not your prisoner, you and the scars will now follow me on. Like this tragedy, delicate, I'll hold on to this day, and I just wanted to be wrong. The day I found my abomination, why you found my pride? Cause I could never be the same. What am I doing? Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you to the team of Ogre, to everyone who's at the backstage, to the guys who are organizing the sound and the light, and most of all, thank you to all of you. Thank you so much. You're far too kind. God bless. See you at the top. Thank you to Changing Proxima. Thank you so much that we are really enthralled by your performance, Chasing Proxima. Ladies and gentlemen, Amutanga Hoba Kubamatang! I want to take this time to thank you to all the band members, band who have performed for us tonight. Thakajaw Pongtokchari Ogre 2022 gi sugumba thorom pangtokpada tembang phigiba punamakpu aina maming oina momtang panjadragasu Thakajaw Pongtokchari Tawimal Khangbu Chari suksoi tanamagi mathangi edition dasu adom gi adumba Pukchil Chauraba Sahajok support Pinabigani Habisiptang Koina Tamzavani Duga Lexin Bit quite Arabasu Taga Cherry. Thanks to the sound SSS Ahoma Kubamatang and Light Kim Yoi Singh, Busutakaja Pongtokchari stage, and everyone who have contributed Thakajaw Pongtokchari live Thabiriba Kumai.com Amari Pony TV Busu Thakajaw Pongtokchari Tauramasibu Mai Paknaba Honabada changes Chongjakibai Namom Tangwaina Mingwena Panjadragasu, every one of you. A big thanks from the organizing committee of Ogre 2022, ladies and gentlemen. Don't say! Waliye! Not to left cry! Lovely. I really like this crowd. Aruiba, band name Mega Night of Ogre 2022. Handak chahi ki oina amuhan lakadawum natre hai batare. Mathangina mathang thokpa, but we are here to enjoy the moment. Are we? Lovely. I thoidong na introduction Peter kasi yarav na matang kanano perform tawag doy siya dong kang labang atan eh. Right. Uy, amutang din. Maming lau tuk siya ke. Mayan ahaw ba kubam. Or ngamzabi tak na lau biro. Mizoram dagi leng birak pa. Please keep this in mind. The headlining band is all the way from Mizoram. And the band has just won the She-Rock Competition 2022. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Please welcome up on the stage the Prophet. Thank you, every one of you, for being with us till this moment. Masimatang ako'y nasinsalang zerbasing maikay dikit hamzabani nungay min na dunata lakbani nungay min na kisi adubu kahen ba maong maurin tada ba yari makay tubigum si habis itang mayam ya bro ing na chik na adum nungay min na say barricade nam kay birakano. Thank you so very much. Thakajaw pongtuk charing am kay lay dana. Nung kaya ka natakrabasu Mizoram dagi leng birak pa the Prophets kita muta leng simbiba thakajaw pongtuk chari.
Hello.
The Prophets from Mizoram is a progressive metal band. Their song speaks about many Christian beliefs, world crisis, abortion, corruptions, and folklore, ladies and gentlemen. The Prophets is inspired by artists like Pagan's Mind, Pink Floyd, Dream Theater, Circus Maximus, Symphony X, to name a few, ladies and gentlemen. They have won several national rock contests like NIT Thunder March, Pyrotechnics, first runner-up at Hornbill International Rock Contest 2017, and also the winner of the biggest rock contest in India, She-Rock 2022. Songs of the Prophets talks about a hope of better days for tomorrow. Sometimes it seems like our road is going nowhere. That leads to discouragement, ladies and gentlemen, in our lives. I want every one of you to enjoy the fullness tonight. Will you? This is it. This is it. Mega Night of All Great 2022, ladies and gentlemen. September 22nd dagi numit humni habding asi phawa 24th September phawa chatha jarapa National Institute of Technology Manipur ge dugumba All Great 2022 Thawai hakchang hapirba punomapu amuka na noluk chari thagajaw phongduk chari. channel number 142 and also available at MCTV channel number 988.
Rakesh, magi lead guitar se EQ lo me play thamo. Nate lead guitar se EQ lo me play thamo. Aduga Rakesh, back vocal we already do. Adudo check do. Adula sina ganiko. All over kita ngay do. All over down. Yeah mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is for your kind information. Merchandise of prophets, the prophets from Mizoram, is being sold here in this campus. Akwai sigi yet lom thang bada lady ba soul singda Mizoram do giling bir the prophets ki merchandise sing marwena t-shirt sing akwai thamzari pambiba nungsibiba saugat biba khuding magna hariba the prophets ki merchandise sisoi soi ramaki lobiraga season abiu haibis tak hogi sing sabani. monitor kitang lekit piyo ayo mali. Keyboard.
Rakesh, magi lead guitar aja side field kita ngapo level up tuh. Aduga mic keyboard ya, magi front monitor kita ngapo level up tuh. Aduga side field aja keyboard adum ngapo ya. Aduga Rakesh, magi monitor kita bass ngapo, aduga side field aja ngapo. Rakesh, kan orange itu dari instrumen lo biare, aduga vocal tuh kata orange yang levelnya. What do you say? Instrumen lo magyari monitor da vocal tuh katang nang check to biro. Lo magyari ba vocal tuh katang orange check to biro, aduga drum gitu fast song ama hor kada. Magi bass की फ्रेंच इधर इधर bass level किताब यो bass level किताब यो Rakesh, aduh kene, mau aja overall tuh nih side field ya, level kita nggak piro, side field.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Prophet! more volume on the bass.
Thank you, Marakana. Gogi NIT ki team na director da felicitate to bagi moment karatang longmina si. So cheers NIT cheers. We have the dean of NIT felicitating the director.
Good evening, everyone. So we, the team of the NIT Manipur, would like to welcome the OGRI 2022 and our director, Professor Dr. Gautam Surjadhar. Please, a round of applause. And for this, we would like to felicitate with Vikas and his team, the coordinator, to kindly present the theme of appreciation. Thank you, sir. Sir, please, have your words.
Thank you very much. I am really excited after seeing this cloud, and really after 2 years I have seen the excitement, and most of the people come first time, the OGRI, and for me it is the last time. So that is why I just came here to greet you, enjoy the whole night as it's possible. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And lastly, with the Registrar in Charge and the Dean Students Welfare, Dr. Dinamani, and Dr. Bakim, the Dean Research and Consultancy, Faculty Welfare, and myself, Dr. Alvino, the Dean Planning and Development. We wish you all a great OGRI 2022. Thank you very much. Please enjoy. So now I'll hand over for the rock.
Thank you to the director of NIT. Thank you so much for your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, we will continue with the prophet.
OGRI! 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 You're a runner!
People in the front of the cameras, you're blocking. Aduna yaragadi, koina sound light na iba speaking tang mamay tayo binanda nixijari.
darkness cold, but I won't go. Oh, Chris, feel the power. With the king. My soul of blood flows in the same, reminds me of what you done. So I raise my hand and point to you. Forsaken is not thy name, the darkness falls, but I won't go. It has been a wonderful evening, everyone. Everybody enjoy. Everybody having a great time. One great shouting out loud. I just wanna say, come back to the world. They brought me yonder and hold me under, lost without a trace. Only wanna bring you again, Mama. Take the fire within me. The dawn is waking again on a misty morning. Here I stand again, and here I cry. Keep your voice louder. Hey, NIT. It's been a very big pleasure for the band to come here. Before we move to the next number, I would like to give a little introduction of the band. My name is Ronnie. And on the guitar we have Eric. And on the bass, we have Gordon. And on the keys, we have Samuel. On the drums, the one and only Mamoya. Okay, for the next song, it's our original. The song is called Aurora. She's a girl whom I never met. I used to saw her in my dreams. The song goes like this. I think you can sing with me. Aurora, don't you walk away. Okay, one more time, let me repeat, okay? The lyrics goes like this. Aurora, don't you walk away. All right? I think everybody knows. Aurora, don't you walk away. Aurora, don't you understand? Let's shout for one more time for Aurora. Aurora! 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 I think this side goes the loudest. I'm gonna give him a present. This is our merchandise. I think you can buy it from the stall out there. I'm going to give it to the luckiest one tonight, who sings the loudest Aurora. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Ready? And I'm going to give it to this side. Sing with me, NIT. Sing with me. Be with us. Take out your cell phone. Take out your cell phone and put on the lights. Come on. Dim the lights. Dim the lights. Put out your cell phone. Everybody, put out your cell phone. Come on. Come on. Put out your cell phone. Come on. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Come on. NIT, I know you can do it. Take out your cell phone. Yeah. I like this. NIT, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. You are so beautiful. There is someone to lean on. There is always someone where you find Everybody sing with me. Everybody sing with me. Aurora, don't you walk away. Aurora, don't you understand? Aurora, keep holding on. Your time will come for you to rest. You don't know how much I miss you. You don't know how much I lost without you. Everything seems to fall apart. But you try to keep alive. Things may fall apart, so things can go right in this cold and empty way. Aurora, don't you walk away. Aurora, don't you understand? Aurora, keep holding on. Your time will come for you to your time will come for you to rest. is for everyone. We are shooting an official music video for the band. We are shooting an official music video for the band. So if you want, I want all of you to participate in this music video we're filming. NIT, are you with us? Are you with the prophets? We're filming. I want everybody to participate in this film. It's a music song. The song is called Van Boron. Everybody want to take part? Everybody want to take part in this film? Are you guys with the prophets? Bear with us.
guys liked it? NIT, one more? You want more? I think we can make our move a little bit lower, because the next song we are about to do, I wanted to dedicate this beautiful song to all the beautiful ladies out there. Because the song is called You and I. To all the beautiful ladies out there, guys, shout it out for the beautiful ladies out there! I get some bad news. I got some bad news. I got some bad news. There's somebody who threw mud at some of the equipments. I urge everybody, please don't do that. Please don't do that. To all the beautiful ladies out there, come on! Open the door to a new, exciting life. I lose control because of you, babe. I lose control. Sing with me. There's something in your eyes that it love at first sight. Like a flower, come on. All the secrets of life, it's all written down in your lifeline. It's written down inside your heart. Come on. You and I just ever place where we can hide away. You and I, the way just made to love each other now, forever and a day. Control because of you, babe. I lose control. Don't look at me like this. There's something in your eyes that is saying tonight I'm so
like never before in my innocent life. It's all written down in the light love. Yeah. It's written down inside your heart. Everybody sing with me. You and I just have a dream to find our love place where we can hide away. Oh, you and I, we're just made to love each other now, forever and a day. Time stands still. The days of innocence are falling for the night. I love you and always will. The song I live for you till the day I die. You and I, come on, we're just made to love each forever and a day. Come on, you and I, we're just made to love each other now, forever and one more time. Come on, and then sing with me. You and I just have a dream to find our love a place where we can hide away.
Hello.
Where is Alan? Where is Alan? Where is Alan? I'd like to dedicate this song to all the Iron Maiden fans out there. Are there any Iron Maiden fans out there? Come on, clap your hands. In the air. Hands in the air. Waiting in my cold cell when the bell begins to chime, reflecting on the past life, and it doesn't have much time. 5 o'clock, they take me to the gallows pole. This stands a time for me running Everybody drop, come on. Everyone that is gonna be wrong for me. Gonna be in the songs of Pharaoh. The song that's a mounting terror. Is it really endless to praise and drown? Never is
from the last. For a final number. For a final number. The song is called The Final Countdown. Ready? I want everybody to jump, okay? Ready? All right, all right, all right. Oh, make your noise louder. Other than the volunteers, no one is allowed inside the barricade, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please maintain decorum. Please don't throw mud because there are equipments in front. Mamanda, kuchukulay mayaman late home, tombirakanop. Please and please. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Prophets! Thanks to everyone present. Save your tears for another. Saw you dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you. Then you saw me caught you by surprise. A single tear was falling from your eye. I don't know why I ran away. I
Save your tears for another day. I don't know why. Oh. I don't know why. I'll make you cry. Run away. I'll make you cry away. Run away. Save your tears for another day. Everybody sing with me. Save your tears. Come on. One more time, this side. Save your tears. Save the tears for me. Good night, NIT. Good night. Thank you for having us.
We are not over yet, ladies and gentlemen. Please be with us for this one last song. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be probably the last request. Give it up for the Prophets! There's so many beautiful girls out there. I hope everybody and everyone has a wonderful tonight. Say this with us in IT. It's late in the evening. wonderful. Thank you, NIT. I want everybody to hold everybody's hands. Come on, let hold each and everybody's hands. Come on, come on. Let us hold our hands together. Let us hold our hands together for this wonderful evening. For this wonderful evening, let's hold our hands together. We go to a party. Everyone turns to see you alright, and I say yes, I feel. Everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me, and then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Oh, I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonders of it all. So you just don't realize how much I love you. It's been a wonderful evening for the band. NIT, we are very grateful and honored for your support throughout the evening. It's an honor, it's a pleasure for the band, for your support. We love you, NIT, we love you, we really love you. It's time to, oh, it's time to go. Sing this last verse with me, okay? Sing this last verse with me. It's time to go home now. It's time to go home now, and I've got aching head, so I gave all the car keys. She helps me to bed. Then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you look wonderful. Thank you, NIT. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you from the bottom of our heart. Peace be with you. God bless you all. Peace be with you. Good night, everyone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we accept your request, and this will be your last song from the Prophets. For the last, I want everybody to sit down. I want everybody to sit down. Come on. I want everybody to sit down. Sit down. Come on. Sit down. Everybody sit down. And when I scream, you stand up, all right? When I scream, you stand up. Everybody sit down. Come on. Come on, people. Come on, people. Sit down. Come on. Everybody sit down. Down on the ground. And when I scream, and when I count 1, 2, 3, you won't stand up. Sit down. Come on, everybody sit down. And the count of 3. Everybody stand up, all right? On the count of 3. Everybody ready? My boy, hit it. scream with me for the last time? Are you ready to scream with me for the last time? Thank you!
Good night, everybody. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much. mayamdagi sa hoba kuba matang aroy buena. The prophets kidamagta. Gratitude, big gratitude from the organizing committee to the prophets from Mizoram. Ladies and gentlemen, big thanks for your participants here. Someone has lost his mobile phone. In case if anyone happened to found it, please give it back to the organizing committee. Thank you so much. Marakatna punama thagachabu pongduk cheri maruina ngasigi mega night mapong pan pigiba punama puthagachabu pongduk cheri duga September 22 ngasi pabo chataragli bogri 2022 matang sida loisinjabu loina punam puamukan thagachabu pongduk cheri romasibo mapong pan na bahot na bada saru yabi ki sponsor sings well wishes of Pongduk Chari. Lengbira kiba media ge announcing maruina Pony TV amadi kumai.com ge marupang sing busu thaga Pongduk Chari. Saruya kiba artisting maruina nasige mega night and specially thanks to the prophets from Mizoram. One last time, ladies and gentlemen. Prophets kidamagta, big thanks from the organizing committee for enthralling us in the mega night. Punamu tagajo pondok charaga ina mom tangone panjaraga su tawimal kamboi charaga kaina nabi atang nizari.